Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Rourke, Chief Clinical Director of Coast Dental. I'm going to talk about why some people want to use soap instead of toothpaste and the reasons I recommend using products the way they're meant to be used. You know the old saying, I'm going to wash your mouth out with soap? Well, you really shouldn't. For one thing, many soaps use chemicals, additives, or fragrances which aren't meant to be in your mouth. Toothpaste is designed to be safe as well as effective for cleaning teeth. It not only removes plaque, it also helps polish the teeth and remove light stains.